Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of the air filter change on the Suzuki King Quad 750s. Part 1 I showed you guys how to properly prep the Suzuki filter with a little pre-oil. They do come pre-oiled from the factory, but they don't tend to have enough oil on them for the proper filter, so I like to just do them ahead of time. Let them dry, get a little tacky, and then yeah, let's get right at it. Okay, so the first step in changing the filter in your Suzuki 750 is taking the seat out. So it's got a little clip at the back, just pop it out, take it out, set it aside. Next step, the air filter's under here. You just got to take this housing out. In order to take this housing out, there's just 2 push pin clips. You can just slide a little flathead screwdriver in there, pop them up, but I just went ahead and bought a push pin pliers. They just make pulling the push pins just a little bit easier. They're inexpensive, I think they're like 10 bucks. So just pop the pins up, this just lifts off. It's got little clips on the side here that slide into the other plastic housing. Then after that, it's just a wing nut. Spin it out. Because these King Quads are new to me, I don't know the condition of the air filter, which is why I'm just going to go ahead and replace it with a genuine Suzuki one. So it actually doesn't look in too bad a shape, but I'm just going to discard it anyway and replace it new. Not a bad idea to start fresh when you're unaware of the condition of items. So now I'm just going to take out these filters that I've already opened, pre-oiled. In the previous video you'll have seen. Before you install them, I've already done it on these ones though, you just spread a little motor oil on each of these foam gaskets. There's one on the bottom, one on the top, and just helps create a better seal. Get slid in, just push down. Got these a little oily from earlier, so I'm just going to wipe them off. Then after that, it's just back to that single wing nut. Goes in. And then just snug down. After that, the filter is installed, and you can go ahead and just replace the plastic cover in reverse order. Remember, there's tabs on both sides, so you just slide it in. Just a little wiggle one way, a little wiggle the other. Just get the push pins lined up, push them down, push them down. Once everything's set, you just push them into click. After that, the seat just goes back on. Little tab under. There you go. Good to go. Happy riding.